So for my eyes, I'm planning to use the Colourpop Yes Please palette over here. This is the Yes Please palette. It has all these beautiful shades. So I'll be using this shade first. And I'm using pack 213 brush just to set my eyes. Then I'll be using the WISESHE Pro Domed Crease brush, and I'll be using this brown shade first. And then I'll be going back to the pack 213 brush just to blend out. And then I'm going back to this color right here. And I'm again using the WISESHE Domed Crease brush again. And then I'm going back with the pack 213 brush and just blending it again. And I'm using the darker shade now over here, and just around the outer corners of my eyelid, I'm just applying it over there only. And now I'm using the Nykaa M Bold Kajal as a base for the green glitter. So I'm using this as a base for the green glitter liquid eyeliner I'll be using. Just in the middle I'm applying. It's very creamy black, so it's going to be a good base for the liquid eyeliner that I'll be applying. And I'm using a smudging brush from WISESHE brand. This one is called Pro Crease Brush. And now the star of this eye makeup look is this liquid glitter eyeliner, and not exactly eyeliner, it's more like a glitter eyeshadow. And it's by this brand called Nicka. I've purchased two shades. One is more of a lilac kind of a color, another one is more on the aqua green side, which I got. And I've noticed that if you use a very dark base, then the color is really going to pop out with the glitter. But if you don't use any dark kind of base, like I've used a dark base over here, like a creamy kajal, so that way if you use a dark base, the color of the liquid eyeshadow is going to pop more. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. I've used a dark base like I've explained it in the beginning, and then after that I've used the liquid eyeshadow glitter, and it looks so nice. The color is popping. And now I am going back to this shade over here, just a little bit, and I'm just defining the crease over here.